QWIKSTRIP UFB is the safer, faster way to wire up your outdoor project. With built-in tear lines, QWIKSTRIP UFB reduces the need for a utility knife, meaning fewer chances for accidental cuts on the job site. By comparison, traditional UFB often requires installers to rely heavily on a utility knife, raising the risk of hand injuries or nicks to the inner conductors. QWIKSTRIP UFB isn't just safer, it's faster too. The pre-scored jacket means you can separate and terminate in seconds. And because you're not cutting toward the inner conductors, you protect them from accidental nicks and damage. Whether you're wiring up a gazebo, a porch, or even a pool pump, QWIKSTRIP UFB is the smarter choice. More safety, more speed, and less hassle.